In today's class, we will learn about enzymes and vitamins. Let us start with enzymes. In living organisms, there are many chemical reactions taking place, and the coordination of these chemical reactions makes a life possible. For example, when we intake food through the mouth, it should be digested into simplest form so that it is absorbed by the body and finally it is used in the production of energy. Now in this process, there are many chemical reactions. These chemical reactions occurs in mild conditions. We all know that in labs we use catalysts to speed up reactions, right? Similarly, in living organisms, the biochemical reactions occurs with the help of biocatalysts called as enzymes. All enzymes are proteins and almost all of them are globular proteins. Now, if you consider a lock and key, the key will only fit into its particular lock. That is, if you get another key and try to open this lock, it will not. Likewise, the enzymes also lock with a particular substrate in a particular reaction. Now, what does this mean? This means that enzymes are very specific in nature. The enzymes are generally named after the compounds upon which they work. For example, take this enzyme known as maltase. This enzyme is used in the hydrolysis of maltose, which gives 2 molecules of glucose. Hence, this enzyme is known as maltase. These enzymes are not only named after compounds, but they are named after the reactions where they are used. For example, the enzyme which is used to catalyze the oxidation of one substrate and the reduction of the another substrate is known as oxidoreductase. From these two examples, that is maltase and the oxidoreductase, what can you observe? You can observe that the names are ending with ase, right? So, this means that in the nomenclature of enzymes, the name should be ending with ase. We all know that in reactions, the catalysts are used in small quantities, and being biocatalysts, the enzymes are also needed in small quantities. Now, the enzymes are said to reduce the activation energy. Now, what is this activation energy? When the reactants react, some energy is required to proceed the reaction. So, this energy is known as activation energy. In enzymatic reaction, what happens is that when enzymes bind to the substrate, that is reactants, it lowers the energy required for the reaction. That is, these enzymes speed up the reaction by lowering the activation energy.